Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to place an order on Fiverr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, we need to go ahead and log into our account. So here in the upper right corner is going to be the sign in button. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Fiverr, where you can get started with browsing all the sections. You can find whatever you need and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to place an order. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and find the order we want to place. So let's say I want to design this cartoon right here. I want to hire this person to design something for me, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up right here. So as you can see, now we can go ahead and get started with making our orders. As you can see here, we have the basic plan, standard, premium, and so on, whatever you want to take a look at right here. And now we can go ahead and click on the continue button right here to get started buying it. So click on continue, and now as you can see, this is going to open up this new menu page with our card, where we can go ahead and see what the total price is, what we are getting, and so on. And after that, we can go ahead and get started with continue. Click on continue, and this is going to take us to the next page, where we can get started with adding our credit card info, our payment method, and after that we can confirm and pay and get started with placing the order. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.